Meaning of flight path.
Flight path.
Flight path.
Flight path.
Flight path. A flight path refers to the trajectory that an aircraft follows during a particular flight. It takes into account numerous factors such as weather conditions, air traffic control instructions, and navigational aids. The flight path is typically planned in advance and can be adjusted during the flight if necessary. Pilots use a variety of tools, including GPS navigation and radar systems, to track and maintain their flight path. Accurate monitoring of the flight path is crucial to ensuring a safe and efficient flight, minimizing the risk of collisions with other aircraft and obstacles.